The next question, question number 23. ABC are sharing profit ratio in 2 to 1. They decided to share profit on 1st April 2020 and ratio 5:3:2. They also decided not to change the value of assets and liability in the books of account. The book value and the revised value of assets and liability are on the date unchanged were as follows. Pass and necessary general adjustment entry. So in this question it is given machine book value was 2,50,000 rupees and revised value is 3 lakh rupees. It means machine has been appreciated. Computer 2 lakh rupees and now it is 1,75,000 rupees. It means computer depreciated. Syndicated 90,000 rupees and then 75,000 rupees. It means profit. And outstanding increase 15 to 25,000 rupees. Whenever outstanding has been increased, it means the loss of through the business. So we pass out the following journal entry. First, revaluation account DR to depreciation on computer. Amount is 2 lakh to 1,75,000 rupees. It means 25,000 rupees. Creditor has been reduced, it is your profit, but outstanding liability has been increased, that is your loss. Two outstanding expenses or liabilities increased 10,000 rupees. We will write here 35,000 rupees. Okay. Being value of assets, being value of assets decrease and liabilities increase. And the next point, machine has been increased for 50,000 rupees. We will write here appreciation on machinery account DR, then discount on creditor account DR to revaluation. मशीन कितनी इंक्रीज हो गई आपकी 50,000 रुपीज़ की और लाइबिलिटीज कितनी आपकी डिक्रीज हो गई 15,000 रुपीज़ की. तो ये कितना हो गया आपका 65,000 रुपीज़. यू विल राइट हियर बीइंग वैल्यू ऑफ असेट्स increased and liabilities decreased. Is it clear? Whenever the question is given, first we will see book value and revised value. Whenever revised value has been increased, it is your profit. Whenever revised value has been decreased, it is your loss. Okay. So loss always debit and profit always credit. So in this question, building has been increased by 25,000 rupees. You will write here appreciation on machinery 50,000 rupees. Computer has been decreased 2 lakh to 1,75,000 rupees. It means computer has been decreased to 2 depreciation on computer. Liabilities syndicator has been decreased. It is your profit for you. That you will write here discount on creditor account DR. But outstanding expense will be increased. It is your loss. You will write here टू आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंसेस. तो आपको 35,000 रुपीज़ का लॉस हुआ और 65 को क्या हो रहा है आपको प्रॉफिट हो रहा है. ये आपकी होती है रिवैल्यूएशन ऑफ असेट्स एंड लायबिलिटी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. कौन सा आपका है ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. क्लियर. ये सिंपल कंसेप्ट हैं. व्हेन एवर योर असेट्स एंड लायबिलिटीज विल बी इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज, देन हाउ टू एडजस्ट द असेट्स एंड लायबिलिटी अकॉर्डिंग टू द जनरल एंट्रीज. ओके. डेबिटेशन ऑलवेज डेबिट and appreciation always credit in the revaluation account. So see the journal entry and see the question which are given in your books and match how to solve the question by the following condition.